Hello, Tony Khan here, and today I wanted to talk about 5 ways that you can make sure that you get done during the week, what you need to get done. So, number 1, let's talk about spending time with your spouse or your significant other. This is really important that you make sure that you do. As far as my husband and I, what we do is we have scheduled days during the week where we hang out. And this is helpful in that we're able to know when we can work and when we can't. It was challenging before we did that when I was in school and working full time. We weren't really sure when I was doing homework and when we were able to hang out. So when we just scheduled time and took all the guesswork out of it, it really, really helped. Let's go with number 2 is accountability. Accountability is important in that it's easy to disappoint yourself. I don't know about you, but disappointing myself, I do that all the time. Whereas disappointing others, I really don't want to do that at all. So having an accountability partner really helps in that we have action steps that we want to take during the week. We have a phone call once a week, so that way we see what we're doing, if we achieved the steps that we wanted to take for the week, how it worked, how it didn't work, what we can do better next time to make sure that we do it. And it's helpful so that you have that little extra push as far as getting things done more than just your own brain, really. So on to number 3 is rewards. I'm not gonna lie, when it came to filming this video, the only thing I can think about is the ice cream in the freezer I get when this video is done. Honestly. You can have something as simple and as childish as, I really want this ice cream, but I need to get this thing done first, and I can't have it until it's done. It works. It really does work. Let's go to number 4. Number 4 is a good morning routine. I'm a morning person, and I find that I get my best work done in the morning before my day job and before my day really starts. I have a video that I'll link in a card for you so you can see what my morning routine is all about. And it's helpful in that I make sure that I take care of myself in working out, and I also make sure that I get the most important thing done during the day that needs to get done. And that's even before the day job starts. So you already have that kick in the pants that you need. So when you come home from work and you're not really feeling it, it's still okay. And finally, we're at number 5, which is having goals and assessing whether the actions you're taking are something that you really need to do. And a great way to do this when it comes to marketing design in particular is look at a video that I did a couple weeks ago. I'll put that in a card too. So that way you're able to look at what's working and what's not working and really see if this thing that you need to do is going to help with the growth and the profit of your business. Because if it's not going to help with the growth or the profit, why do it? Marketing design takes so much time and energy, and you want to make sure that you're doing it in the most effective way you can. So that is my 5 ways of getting things done throughout the week. Leave a comment below. Let me know where you are in your journey as far as time management and what works and doesn't work for you. I'll see you there.